So right back at you guys. This is Bob from Foodios, and I got some mail that came in at the PO box, and I thought I'd show it to you. I got a mail from California. They're both from California, which is cool. So right back at you, California, and I'm gonna check these out later. All right, I'll throw that to the side. So what I did was, according to the title that you see on top, I went to get myself some chicken biryani, and I don't know if you've ever had chicken biryani, but I just got this chicken biryani, and I'm gonna try it out because this is like an Asian kind of food, like from places like Bangladesh, Pakistan, and India. So I went to an Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh restaurant, and I had the menu, man. I don't know where I left it, but I went to a place called Jackfruit Garden. They serve halal food, Bangladesh, Indian, Pakistani food. They have their language and stuff over there. So they got some chicken biryani I started to try out. And let's see what's inside this chicken biryani. Oh, look at that. You just take a lick that up. Looks good, man. But let's see right here. Look at that. That chicken biryani is steaming up my front window there. I'm trying to make this video fast because it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun is going down. So let's see what it tastes like. I don't know if you ever had chicken biryani, but ooh, it's too hot. I gotta put this down on the ground. All right, keep my hand from burning off. So this is basically some rice with some spices and stuff inside, like cinnamon, cardamom, whole black pepper, corns, and stuff like that. And I believe they use basmati rice for this dish. Let's see if there's some kind of chicken right here. Oh, that was a flavorful bite there, though. Okay. Here's a piece of chicken, man. Look at that. You got a good piece of chicken here. Let's take a bite out of that chicken. See that steam coming off that thing? The rice is so damn flavorful. It's amazing, man. Men and girls. I also see some cumin in here. Here's that, I think that's the whole black peppercorn right there. You can see it. I'm just gonna try it by itself. Amazing. Ooh, very tasty. Now the food has some kind of spice to it. Obviously it's spicy, and it's a little hot tasting. But I haven't had this, I haven't tried this thing here in a long time. And I paid like $10 for this. And bring that down a little bit. Soul patch. Some of that rice again. Some of that chicken again I'm gonna eat. Now, if you guys don't like chewing sounds, please go to a different channel, because I'm gonna I'm gonna, instead of holding back my chewing noises, I'm gonna just chew, make some chewing sounds. If you guys are offended by it, then you could go watch a different video somewhere else. But wow, some good stuff right here, man. God, I love that chicken. Chicken is tender. Glowing in the sun. Look at that chicken biryani. Some of that flavorful rice, fragrant rice. Now, if you guys had this, if you guys had a chicken biryani, leave a comment in the comment section, because I want to know how many of you guys have tried this dish. It's like a chicken fried rice, but it's made, you know, differently, with a lot of spices on it, and it's really delicious. The cardamom, oh yeah, I just ate a whole cardamom just now, man. Let's see if I can find a another one for you guys. I'll just say the whole one, man. But tasting really mighty, man and girls. Tasting really mighty. Okay, I have my bottle of water, but I'm gonna drink some. There's a Checkers next door, right? So I'm trying to find a straw. Nope, I got a straw here. Yeah, there's a Checkers next door, and I just got myself a dollar soda, you know. Okay. Back to feasting on this delicious tasting chicken biryani. Now I think this this restaurant, even though it says Indian, Bangladeshi, and Pakistani food, I think the owners are from Bangladesh. I think, I'm not sure, but I'm, you know, because I asked the lady at the cashier, where you're from. She said she's from Bangladesh. But wherever you guys from, man, here's some good stuff right here. Also got some cilantro. Hope there's a chicken here for you guys. It's a little pricey, but I think when you think about it, I mean, it's something that tastes good. If you guys like spicy stuff, when I say spicy, I mean real spice. Cinnamon, cardamom, garlic, I mean black pepper, whatever. You gotta try this chicken biryani dish. So right back at you guys. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give this chicken biryani dish, I give it a 5 because it tastes good. Pretty awesome, man. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off eating this thing. And thank you guys for watching me eat some chicken biryani. And right back at you. And I'll see you next time. All right, take care. Big piece of chicken here. Okay, so I'm making this extra part of the video. You'll see me much better now. For you guys that want to see just a meeting without any kind of talking or anything like that. So I'm just gonna eat without talking for the rest of this video. Might as well just finish it off and make a video of it, right? So here we go, because it's gonna eat this thing out, and that's that. All right, so right back at you. Let me finish off eating my chicken biryani. Trying to break this chicken in half. Got a piece of bone there. Kind of strange. Piece of cardamom right here. Go back and shoot. Let's see you guys next time. All right, take care.